Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So excuse, is it this one? It's supposed to be this one that's puffy, but this cheek looks way puffier, even though I got my wisdom teeth taken out on this side. So if I'm not like super like smiley and stuff, it's because I still can't move my mouth that much, but I needed to film and upload a video. So I have my rolling Bath & Body Works project pan, and here is my update. So yeah, let's just start with the products that I ended up finishing. So the first product I ended up finishing up was the Endless Weekend body lotion. I was only about like halfway when I started this project, and now I was here, then last update I was here, only had a couple uses. Finished this up. Endless Weekend, its notes are fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and raspberry lychee sorbet. It's a nice summery scent. I do recommend, or when I worked there, I used to always recommend it to the younger crowd. It's just fun, it's easy, and it smells great. And now it's out of my collection. I think I might have another one and the Fine Fragrance Mist, but it's not summer anymore. And the next product I finished was the Seaside Breeze body lotion. This one smells so good. I enjoyed using this. It does have a little bit of that suntan smell, just a teeny tiny bit. As you can see, I have discombobulated this bottle. It doesn't have the notes on here just because it's like a strange bottle, but I know Seaside Breeze is like a scent that they bring up in like many forms of home fragrance. So it was interesting to see that they brought it out in, I think they might have brought out like a coconut Seaside Breeze, but this one smells just a plain one. It smelled really nice. I don't have any more of it in my collection, unfortunately, but it was nice. If I ever find myself purchasing it and I see it, or purchasing Bath & Body Works and I see it, I definitely would get it again, but it's not something I'm gonna hunt down for. Okay, and I finally finished. There's only like a teeny tiny bit, but I finally finished. This was Wild Honeysuckle, but it I had crushed it with a highlighter, and it only has the tiniest amount left, but it's all chunky highlighter. So I might just use it up like tomorrow when I wear more of like, I don't know, if I wear like more of a revealing shirt, because it's only like enough for my chest area, not so much for my arms and my legs, which was what I was using it for. Wild Honeysuckle is not a scent I enjoy. It was okay. I mean, it's not like, it's not disgusting or anything, but it's just like not a scent I would prefer to wear. I know a lot of people like Wild Honeysuckle, but it just wasn't a scent for me. Finally used that up, so I can finally get rid of this container that has been reused. And then last but not least, the last item I ended up using up was the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Rollerball. I was gifted, oh, I just moved my cheek way too much and that hurt. One moment, please. So I ended up finishing this up. I didn't think the scent in here matched the bottle. I thought this was going to be a much warmer fragrance, a more sexy fragrance, and I ended up finding that it was more of a beachy, like fun summertime fragrance, and I just felt like it didn't fit the bottle's aesthetic. Also, this rollerball, I don't know if I just had a lot of dead skin, but I found that this rollerball picked up more dead skin than other rollerballs have, so yeah, glad this is used up and finally out of my perfume collection, because now I can use my nicer ones, because I think I have used up like all my non-expensive designer perfumes, and then I have like 2 oil ones, like little oil roller balls. Is that the UPS guy? It is! My package is here. Hold on, everyone. Hold on. About that. I've just had like problems where like packages have gotten stolen, so I've been very attentive when it comes to the UPS guy. And so let's just keep going with the video. So let me briefly touch. Sorry, I like ran downstairs, got it, and then ran back upstairs. Oh, something just fell. Okay. So let's just touch on the products that I'm still working on. So the first things first is Perfect Autumn Day Fine Fragrance Mist. When I put it in, I was up here and now I'm down to here. This smells so good. So good. Like, I remember when it first came out, like I thought it was way too sweet, but I don't know, it might have just been that like because I was working in there and all the fragrances were mixing and I thought this was too sweet. But then your scent palette also changes every couple of years. They say every 7 years, but realistically it can be like less time than that. So I'm enjoying this thoroughly. I'm sad this is just a travel size, but then by the time I'm done with it, like, I'll be like, yeah, that was like a good enough. And it's like a whole travel size, so it's like, I've been like, yeah, that was like a good enough size. And then like after this, I can move on to my winter candy apple. So I'm still working on this, but still enjoying it 100%. If you have this, go ahead and pull it out for the fall time. You will thank me, trust me. If you ever see this at a semi-annual sale, which sometimes I see like at the beginning of the semi-annual sale, like a stray bottle or two, but if you see it, smell it, pick it up. I can't attest to the lotions and the shower gels, but I do think the Fine Fragrance Mist is lovely. So still working on her. I have the Chestnut and Argan body cream with pure argan oil. Still enjoying her. This is the one I'm currently working on. I believe if I hold it up to the light, it is up to here. I don't mark it just because then like it starts getting on my hand if I start touching it with the lotion, but it is to right here. This smells so good also. Like, oh, at this point in my lotion collection, I don't have anything I don't like. Everything's just like smells so nice and so yummy. So it is actually like such a treat to put on lotion that smells so good. I forgot because for a while I was working on like lotions that like I wasn't the biggest fan of. Sorry, wisdom tooth problems. I haven't been speaking very animated, so this is the first time, and oh, it's interesting after like not moving your face for so long. Still using her, still enjoying her. Fragrance notes are chestnut, argan, sandalwood, and musk, but it's a lot sweeter than that, just usually because it's sweeter than like what you would think it would smell like. It smells so good. Sometimes I have seen this at the semi-annual sale since it did come out last year, I believe, so definitely recommend picking it up if you ever see it. And then this one, ta-da! I exchanged it. So if you watched my last update, or if you if you did, then you would know, but if you haven't, let me just catch you up. So I had last year's Bright Autumn Blooms. It was literally just came out last year. I bought it. It was only a year old and it had already gone bad. Like the consistency had changed, the scent has changed, and I was like kind of disappointed because, you know, usually these have like a longer shelf life, but the one that I had didn't make it that long. So I was contemplating whether I should exchange it for this year since they brought it out again, or I should just use it up. A lot of you guys said I should exchange it, and I exchanged it, and it smells great. Haven't used it yet. I have to use up the other one. When it comes to fragrances I want to use one fragrance, enjoy it fully, and then move on. So that's kind of what I'm doing. So she hasn't been touched yet. So now we're adding products into this rolling project pan. First thing, yes, I'm just gonna add her because we have her with the experience that she went bad. This is last year's Bright Autumn Blooms Whipped Body Butter. I got this at the semi-annual sale. Scent wise, she doesn't really smell anymore. Like, she does, but she doesn't, and I don't know, it's like this whipped consistency. I haven't used her. I just cracked her open like about a couple weeks ago to see when I was thinking about what I wanted to put into this project. But I did notice that with the body butters, the scent doesn't really last as long in them. Since in California, this is like a very light moussey formula, so it does kind of like blend in very easily. It is slightly moisturizing, but like I said, in California, it's summer part 2. Like, it doesn't start getting cold till like end of November/December, so I'm still shaving my legs, I'm still wearing shorts and dresses. So sometimes a body cream, like if I have the time, I enjoy like putting on body creams, but lotions are usually like the way to go because they sink in. So that's why I'm putting her in, just because it's light, it's moisturizing, it's easy to blend in. I feel like body creams sometimes like you really have to like blend it in, or if like you overdo it or put too much, again, you have to blend it in for a while. So that's why I'm putting her in, and I'm only putting one other body lotion because I'm still working on the other two, and it's that time. It is a winter candy body lotion body cream. Winter Candy Apple body cream. This is kind of old, like, not gonna lie. She still smells amazing because it's a Winter Candy Apple. Scent hasn't changed. I am noticing that it is starting to turn yellow. It's time to use her up because I want to say this is circa 2015. Yes, they got this in the 2015 semi-annual sale, so it's coming up. It's kind of coming up and getting old. Maybe it was 2016. Yeah, it is 2016 because 2015 had like the weird ugly packaging. I didn't like 2015's packaging, so this is 2016, so it's gonna be 2 years old. It's time to use it up. I have another one exactly like this one that hasn't been touched, so I'm like, with the experience I've been having with the body creams going bad, I'm in a rush to use them up. But I'm just like this, like I am in the season, or like in the point of like using up all my lotions where everything smells great. Like I love every single scent, like no complaints. So I'm just gonna be one very happy camper. One very happy camper using this up. And if you guys didn't know, hello, welcome. Winter Candy Apple is my all-time favorite scent Bath & Body Works has ever made. Second one is Sunshine Days. And I'm starting to find out that I really prefer other discontinued ones that I'm finally cracking into. So, hi, my name is Renee and I'm obsessed with Winter Candy Apple from Bath & Body Works. Hi, Renee. So yeah, I will probably be updating this video in another 3 weeks. See what else I can, you know, use up by then. Let me know what products, products you would like to see, like if you would like to see candles, or if you would like to see like body scrubs or another perfume, or even shower gels. Just let me know, just because I'm starting to get to the point where like all I have is lotions in here and like sprays, and I don't know if that's super interesting. So yeah, let me know if like you want to see like what candle I'm trying to burn, because like I'll have like 2 to 3 candles out at a time, and like I'll work on one, or I'll work on one for like 1 week, and then I'll work another one for another week, just so it's like even use. So if you want to see like that stuff, again, just let me know, because I want to make content that appeals to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.